This is a Hunter Infinity ceiling fan from 1991, installed here in 1994, like the Hunter Mayfair. And there's also another one in the dining room, but I'm going to be doing a video of this one. I'll do a video of that one next. And this ceiling fan is the second loudest fan. Actually, no. Second loudest fan in our house, and the first loudest fan is the Hampton Bay Waterton, and this one right here, that's also noisy on high, but that's just wind noise. That doesn't count. I'm meaning like noise coming from the motor. This is the second loudest. Yeah, the first loudest is the Hampton Bay Waterton. On high, that thing just sounds like it's in a dimmer, but unfortunately, the quality on my tablet cannot. You'd have to put your ear up to hear it with my tablet quality. Oh, okay. Right now we can turn this on low, and I'm telling you, literally. It's not like anybody else could hear the humming sound that this fan makes. But only I can. I have really good ears. The blades actually do sag on this fan. Blades look like it's almost like the blades are made out of plastic, where this could possibly be an outdoor rated fan. They look like they're plastic. Like how they're being reflected, and definitely actually the blades haven't sagged that much, but I can go up here and I can show you that actually, yeah, the blades have sagged. Yeah, they are kind of warped, but that's not. Yeah, but definitely the Hampton Bay Waterton's blades are even more warped than that. Yeah, so definitely it's common for outdoor fans to for outdoor fans to have warped blades, but I don't know for sure if this is an outdoor fan or not. I'm pretty sure it's an indoor fan. Maybe the blades aren't plastic, but surely they really do reflect well. Also, I think the switch cap seems to be kind of crooked on this, but that's okay. And I can turn this on medium now. Oh boy, I actually need to get this. I just noticed that it's been 3 minutes. Well, this is why I usually don't. This is why I usually don't talk when I do separate videos of ceiling fans, because it just takes too long, and I run out of things to say. You might be able to hear this on high.
Jack, can you give me a blanket? Can you give me a blanket? Jack, can you please put me in the chair?
Okay. I don't think you can hear that, but it's very slight, but I can hear it though. And this fan does wobble. That fan up there, that one I don't think wobbles at all. But the wobbliest fan in this house is the Hampton Bay Waterton. Even though it's flush mounted. Okay, now I gotta keep this moving. I'll just turn this back to low. Okay, bye.